In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Patreon tiers. If you want to clean up your membership options, remove an old reward level, or simplify what you offer to patrons, Patreon makes it possible to permanently delete a tier from your creator account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open the Patreon Creator Studio and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the creator account where the tier currently exists. Once you're inside the dashboard, give the page a moment to fully load so all of your creator tools and settings appear correctly. After you're logged in, go to your creator page and click on the membership tab. This is where Patreon stores and organizes all of your active membership tiers, including the names, prices, and benefits attached to each one. If you have several tiers set up, take a moment here to locate the exact one you want to remove. It's important to double check before making changes, especially if some tiers have similar names or pricing. Next, find the specific tier you want to delete and click the edit button next to it. This will open that tier's settings page where you can review its details before removing it. If you're unsure whether it's the right one, this is a good time to confirm the title and any associated benefits. Since deleting a tier is a permanent action, it's worth pausing for a quick review before moving forward. Once you're on the tier settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Near the lower section, click on More. This menu contains additional actions for the tier. From there, choose Delete and then confirm your choice to permanently remove the tier. After you confirm, Patreon will delete that tier from your membership setup. Keep in mind that because this is a permanent change, you should be certain before finalizing it. If you only wanted to update the tier instead of removing it completely, you would want to stop before this point and make edits rather than deleting it. And that's all it takes to delete a Patreon tier. Log into Creator Studio, open the membership tab, edit the tier you want to remove, then scroll down to More, select Delete, and confirm. It's a quick process once you know where the option is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you